Hello. So my name's Harrison. I'm an undergraduate tutor in the Sandbox. I'm a junior's honor student too, computer information systems student. So part of my requirements to like continue graduating with honors from to graduate with an honors program at Bentley is I basically need to make an extra project into computer courses at Bentley. So part of the CS 280 course, which is Java 2 with Professor Pepe, at the end we start to make little apps with what we call with the GUI library, which is like the which allows you to like basically make apps called Swing. So he had me make like I got to make my own app with JavaFX instead, which is a newer library basically. So I paired it with an extracurricular activity I do with student government. So there I'm chair of the Organization Management Committee. And there I'm responsible for getting new student organizations recognized through the SGA recognition process. So all these orgs that I have up here are like real orgs that I've gotten at some point this year, except for this one. This one I just made in the last presentation. That's not a real club. So I have a couple of functions I can do here, like I can get rid of this org, and then I can make a new org. I'm gonna make this same org again because yeah, I just can't come up with new names. I'll do an email and then set the recognition status. There's like 8 steps in the process. So like I'll just put in a random step and they're required to at least have a president. So that's the default thing. I'm just gonna say that's their name for now. So then it pops up here in this simple view where it's just the organization, the name, and the recognition status. I can view like more details about the org if I click this button or go to like all org details up here, and it'll show me every organization, the like automatically generated acronym, the contact email, and everyone in their e-board. It also is all highlighted like based off of where they are in the process. So green is recognized, red is rejected, purple is they're ready to present, blue is they're in progress somewhere. I can also just go and view like each category individually. So this is all the recognized ones and such. If I wanted to, so I can also go back to the homepage. If I wanted to save this, I can do that. And the way it saves is it writes out all the information to this text file. So the program's able to like pull all the data from there in this file and just it puts out like what this converts it into like a nicer format that we can understand. And then when I launch it again, hopefully it's saved and that organization's still there. I can also like view each organization. I forgot if I showed this part already, but I can view each organization individually. So this is the club I just made. It says where they are in the process. They've met with AIA, and that's where they get their funding from and such. I also have on the side here these checklists that go through the process, basically what you need. You need to prove these 4 things to student government in order to become a new organization. You need like, this is the list of like what the steps are and what the numbers mean when you put them in. I also have 0 and -1 if you're rejected, or there's a vote we can do called too many questions, where if we wanted an org to come back and answer more questions, we tell them we have too many questions. And then like, here's all the documentation that they're required to get. The stats button also just shows how many orgs are recognized and ready to go and such. Yeah, so I kind of talked through that really fast. I don't know if anyone has any questions or wants me to show anything else in a